Hi everyone, Ric Voelker with the Nebraska Safety Council talking to you today about these. That's right, the N95 respirator. If you've been listening to the news, you've probably heard of this little virus called Corona or COVID-19. If you've heard about that and you've been out and about and you've been to a hardware store, you've probably noticed you can't find a lot of these because right now N95 respirators or respirators in general are in a shortage. And because of that, a lot of people who need them, such as medical personnel, are having a hard time keeping a hold of these. So let's talk about when you should or should not actually wear an N95 respirator. One, you should wear an N95 respirator if you are showing signs and symptoms of COVID. In other words, you've got that fever or you are showing a cough. If you are out and about with somebody and they start showing signs of having COVID, for instance, they start becoming feverish or they start coughing, then they should and you also should put one of these on because you may also be exposed. Or if you've been in an area where there's been a high concentration or a large number of exposures reported, probably should be wearing one of these as well, at least when you're out and about until you know for sure that you are not a carrier or infected. Outside of that, social distancing should take care of just about any possible contact exposure you may have. Keep your distance away from people, but for the most part, save these for the people who are actually needing them. For instance, your medical personnel and first responders, EMTs, people who do need to have these. Like I said, for the most part, the average person, social distancing should take care of any possible chance of exposure or you spreading a possible exposure as well. So with all that in mind, I'll try to keep you updated on other things as we keep going on. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the Nebraska Safety Council. We are still open. We're still operating, just doing a lot of stuff by remote. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We would love to help. In the meantime, stay safe.